What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, wonderful night, wherever you are. Um, you guys seen me pick this one the other day. Um, I had to replace it. Um, kind of redeemed myself on that one. And then I got a few other things, but I got me another. Let me get it out of there. Got me another 700 series American lock. There's the date on it if you guys want to look that up or whatever. Well, there you go, ZNM. Notice all these holes and stuff in the back of these things, man. There's one there, one there, one there. I was noticing that on this 1205 series too. There's one there and one there. You can see the shackle spring through there, and you can see the top of the screw head that holds the core in right there. And I think it was Bosnia Bill done a video a while back talking about a perfect pilot hole to get to that bolt head and to drill it out where the core would just drop out. So yeah, I don't really think that, I understand like drainage holes and stuff, so if it's outside, water won't fill up inside of it and start causing it to oxidize and rust. But I think most of this stuff is kind of unnecessary, really. Sorry. Anyway, I was actually able, after I got done making that video, I was playing around with this and got the 25 thousandths Peterson city rake out and the double rake, or the S rake out, as I like to call it. And S rake, the city rake, and a standard hook is probably my three favorite picks. I was able to get this open with the S rake and the city rake both. I was kind of wondering about this as well. We're gonna pick it. I got this at I got both of these at Harbor Freight, but it's one of them U.S. General locks, and it's a slightly bit bigger than the 700 series, but it's like the closest thing I could get. I think this was like $7 and some change or whatever, and I used the 20% off coupon, so I got it for like $5 or $6. So it says in it, super strong solid steel shackle, case hardened body, removable and rekeyable cylinder, comes with 3 brass keys, 2.5 inch short shackle padlock, U.S. General. California, Harbor Freight. The brass components in this product contain lead, a chemical known to the state of California to cause birth defects and other reproductive harm. So that's always good. That's why I always recommend, no matter what lock it is, after you get done playing with locks, go wash your hands, because you never know what these manufacturers are putting in this crap. I mean, shoot, anything nowadays give you cancer. If I can get this open without cutting my finger off. Anyway, let me get this out of the package so the video won't take forever, and we'll pick them both and compare them. I may end up splitting the video up, picking this one first, the American one, and then picking this one, and then we'll gut them both, and then I'll try to do it in 2, maybe 3 videos, but we'll compare the innards and all that good stuff together side by side and see what the difference is. We won't be messing with this one today, but this is ones that like you see on like service trucks and stuff like that. It actually looks like it's got a an American keyway on it. Can't really see the keys, but it's like an American style keys in there. So we'll have to compare that also to here. Anyway, yeah, let me get this open. Alright, here we go. Oh, well, how convenient is that? They're already locked around the shackle. Let's see. Not too bad of a bidding. But I actually kind of picked the one. They had 2 or 3, and I picked the one with the best bidding on it. So, go figure. I'll throw that over to the side for now. I'll put that right there on my little magnet strip. But anyway, I'll set this one aside. So this one should only be pinned up to 5. Because I haven't done anything other than I took it out to look at it the other day when I bought both of these together, and then put it back in the box and haven't messed with it since. I can already see the very first key pin is serrated in there, so it's got like little red grooves around it, just kind of actually, let's set that over there because we'll go ahead and use the same tension wrench and hook that I used on the 1205 series. Okay, that's number 3. Is number 4, and back to number there we go, number 1. Definitely overset that. So let me see here. Number 2. There we go. Back to number 1. Oops. And it's open. I thought it was open. That's why my that's why my tension wrench went flying out. That spring from the cord kind of jarred it out of my hand. So yeah, we'll go ahead and Got a better screwdriver for this somewhere. But like I said, these are really easy to strip out. Yeah, there she comes. And we're out. There that is. There's the screw. There that is. Wonder if this has got one of the wafers in it. Yep, it does. Stuck in there. Alright, a little wafer. Bypass wafer. Keep people from bypassing it. Of course, they got that one tool out now. Alright, so set this big old thing over to the side. Grab the little follower and nifty gut wrench. I'm actually glad that Locknoob designed this, because I was getting ready to buy one of those red ones that you see everybody with. I think really, you don't even have to. Yeah, that's what I thought. As long as there's like a gap in between there, and it just so happened to be at the bottom of the keyway. Let me lock this thing back up. Anyway, gap there. You don't even really have to push it out. You can push it out and just take it and kind of. Oh crap, come on now. Yeah, like that. I don't know if I showed you the bidding on that or not, but it's 3, 2, 4, 5, 7. It's like a step down all the way down. Another easy bidding, come on. Really? Anyway, there that is. I don't know why I threw the keys over there. Because I need them. I need them, I need them, I need them. Most people use a shim because of this little step down here, but if you've took enough of them apart, you can kind of work past that. And I say that, yeah, there we go. Kind of work past that. So right off the bat, these key pins are color coded. Oh, come on out of there. Come on down. Use my pick. There's number 2. Get off there. Number 2 is get off there. They got that grease on there, and they just stick. Number 1 is serrated, little orange or little red serrations. The top of it's red too, so I'm assuming it was probably color coded or something. Number 2 is a little tiny short key pin with no serrations at all. Number 3 is a green or purple or black. I don't know. Maybe it's just got grease on it. But it's serrated. Number 3 is serrated as well. Moving along to number 4. Number 4 is serrated. And number 5 is the longest, of course, being a 7 cut. It's serrated too. So yeah, we've got one key pin that isn't serrated. Of course, I'll give you guys a close-up of that here in just a little bit. So let's move along inside. Let's see. Number 1 looks like it's serrated. Number 2 looks like another serrated. Number 3, another serrated. Number 4, serrated spool. And number 5, a serrated spool. Not really sure. I will definitely rearrange those. I didn't. It looked like somebody with sense actually pinned that one up, because I went back after I put it together and was gonna see if I couldn't rearrange the security pins in it just to make it more, secure, I guess you could say. And yeah, they were all in the perfect spot. So somebody with sense keyed that one up. Somebody with not so much sense keyed this one up, because they put it the spools at the very end, which is a what was it, a 5 and 7 cut, and then put serrations in the 3, 2, and 4 cut. So I'll definitely be moving those serrated spools up towards the front. Now you can see what I'm talking about about the little red. Pick that up. No, I'll just leave where it's at, because I'm dumping them all over the floor. We've got the serrated key pin, the red down in there. I'm assuming that's still in there because it couldn't be worn off because it's in there. The top of it is red as well, so I'm assuming it's like a color code kit or something. And number 2 is just a little tiny key pin with no serrations whatsoever. Number 3 is like the dark purple looking one. What I was saying. It's like black or really dark purple. Number 4, another serrated key pin. Number 5, another serrated key pin. You see it. You can actually see some of the coloring on it still. It's kind of black looking. Anyway, moving on to the driver pins. Serrated, just like we saw in the 1205 series. Serrated, serrated, serrated spool, and serrated spool. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll be picking this thing up, and I think I seen, who was it, William Mansell, I think, picked one, and it had those Chinese blob pins in it. So we'll definitely be picking that next. And like I said, we'll we'll compare the innards and whatnot, and the like the mechanism on the inside and all that good stuff. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. And yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Later, guys.